YouTube? Today I'm doing a very fun video and putting together my portable hookah that I won in a contest, but I won't tell you what kind of contest that it was. And if you want, you can go on Amazon and find you a portable one that you can bring with you every week. Okay, so I know you guys can't see me, but that's all good because we want to focus on the hookah. Okay, it's most important. So it comes like this. It's a cup, and what you want to do is you want to take the filter and put it in the top. Kind of looks like a slushy top. And then you want to take your water and just make sure you cover the filter. Like, you want the filter to be submerged in the water. Yeah, like this. I don't know if you can see. Oh my god. After that's all set, you take this piece and you just stick it on top. Okay? And this is where the flavor goes. It goes inside of here. So today, the flavor that I chose is a blueberry. Blueberry is so good. It's like just a basic flavor where they use mostly everywhere. So why not be basic? This is what it looks like. I take probably about like a huge pinch full since it's just me by myself. Or maybe a little more. I'll grab a little more, but you just sit it inside of here. And just break it up. I just like to cover the whole surface with this stuff. Or like this. Okay. And then you just sit it right on top of here. That's it. Then what you want to do is take the top. It already has holes in it. It's supposed to serve as the aluminum foil that goes over the flavor and is in between the coal. So you just sit it right on top. And then now I'm gonna go light the coal. Okay, so I lit my hookah. If you want to speed the process up, you can just blow at it. It's a spring that comes with it. I don't know if you can see. It goes right here, so this tube won't like bend. And we're done. That's how you set up your portable hookah. You just gotta wait for the coal a little bit. You gotta wait for the coal to burn more. Yeah, I can definitely feel it like messing with my lungs.